Hello students, welcome to Rasa International School online classes. In the previous class you have learned decimal number and binary number. So today we will learn the octal number system. Octal number system क्या होता है पहले वो हम ये जानेंगे. Octal number system has 8 digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the number used in octal number system. Octal number system is also a positional value system with where each digit has its value expressed in power of 8. जैसा कि मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया था, कौन सी पावर होती है इसकी? 8 पावर. 8 की पावर में हम इसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. Representation is same but digit is different. Like we make a table 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So base is 8. Decimal equivalent of any octal number is sum of product of each digit with its positional value. मीन्स अगर हम किसी भी नंबर का ऑक्टल नंबर का डेसिमल निकालेंगे तो वो कैसे आएगा? उसके अंदर जो उसकी पोजिशनल वैल्यू है, पोजिशनल वैल्यू के बेस पे ही उसको मल्टीप्लाई करके हम आंसर लिखते हैं. चलिए हम इसको एग्जाम्पल्स के थ्रू समझते हैं. लाइक हियर इज द नंबर 726, बेस इज 8. So first we will put into the table like 6. So 6 is first place, then 2 and then 7. So now we are going to calculate 6 into 8 to the power 0, this, plus 2 into 8 to the power 1, plus 7 into 8 to the power 2, that is 4, 4, 8, plus this one 2 into 8 to the power 1 is 2 into 8, 16. 6 into 8 to the power 0 means only 6. And the total of this answer is 470 and base is 10. Sir, we have converted the 726 base 8 octal number into the decimal number, which is 470 base 10. Now we will learn hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system क्या होता है? Hexadecimal number system has 16 symbol 0 to 9 and A to F. अब इसमें नंबर भी आता है और इसमें अल्फ़ाबेट्स भी आते हैं. देखिए 0 to 9 and A to F, where A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 11 and so on till F. इस टाइप से हम आगे कैलकुलेशंस करते जाते हैं. Hexadecimal number system is also a positional value system with where each digit has its value expressed in power of 16. अब यहाँ पे पावर क्या है? 16. बाइनरी में पावर 2 थी, डेसिमल में पावर 10 थी, ऑक्टल में पावर 8 थी एंड हेक्साडेसिमल में पावर 16 थी. So this is the representation of hexadecimal number system. We put into the table 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This is the number relationship chart. Number system relationship. Like the value of these digit. In hexadecimal number, these numbers are used. So, if in a hexadecimal number it is 0, in a decimal it is 0, in a octal it is 0. If we write in binary, it is 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes. And if it is 1, 1, 1, and in binary 0, 0, 0, 1. Like this, we have to learn all the values. The value of A in hexadecimal number is equivalent to the decimal of 10, and octal it is 12, and binary it is 1010. By this we can convert any binary system to decimal or any hexadecimal number system to binary, octal, decimal. We can convert anything. Now we will learn how a hexadecimal number is convert into the decimal number. Decimal equivalent of any hexadecimal number is sum of product of each digit with its positional value. So let's understand with an example. 27FB base 16. So this is our hexadecimal number. Now we will convert into the decimal number. First we have to put into the table. This is B, F, 7 and 2. So base is 16. The value of B is in the decimal number system 11 is 11, and this is 11 into 16 the power 0 plus the value of F is 15 into 16 to the power 1, then the value of 7 is 7. So 7 into 16 to the power 2 and 2 into 16 to the power 3. So it is 8192 plus 1792 plus 240 plus 11. And then in the last answer is 10235. 10235 here base 10. So this is the answer of 27FB base 16 is converted into the decimal. Thank you for today. Learn that table and calculate all the numbers and convert into the decimal and binary, octal and hexadecimal number. Thank you so much.